there, but that's all Scats, Cats, Marrows, motherfucking bike gang out here. YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo, man. We back outside again. Y'all see me at Daytona. We look up on some. Oh Lord, it's at $60. I'm stopping at $60. Them things. 5 on that. Boy, listen. We outside. We got a little cruise about to go down, man. It's about to be it's kind of wet outside, so we ain't gonna do too much. But if you like this kind of videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops. This is boy Pablo. You know you going to don't run that thing up all 2023 because we're going into the new year with this shit. Just stick around. Video about to be lit. Again, every day. What's up,
What's
brother?
up, gang?
You know what I'm saying? Oh, you can't cross the street. You know what I'm saying? They can't cross the street. Hey, y'all. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, you come outside.
What's up,
Oh, you
had going on last night? Y'all was out late, boy.
What's at the bar? It's a cat over there. Cat right there. Hear me. ZO1. It's a lot of pressure out here. They outside today. We get to see the city come together for a little peace. You know what I'm saying? Everybody chilling. Like having a driver's meeting right now. Make sure everybody on the same page. That's a TRX. That bit clean. Yeah. Every time, dog. As soon as I walk up, he start the shit. What it is, side? First of all, y'all make sure y'all go check my boy YouTube channel. You know he going up all 2023. You can see my boy Fredo with his shit on. You know what I'm saying? Rock out with the game. What you gotta say, man? Mr. Hellcat Killer. He put it on his. He put it in his thumbnails.
Turn it around so they.
Oh, it's a lot of them out here now.
Hey, it is what it is.
You know you gotta get like a tag that say that on that bitch, so they can just know. All right, try this bitch. Y'all see big Daytona right there. I gotta get my grill fixed. It makes a big difference. How y'all doing? Everybody good? So. What's up, gangster? Y'all see the motherfucking hooligans outside. Yes, sir. Ski, you see them. Then you go street predators right here. You know they coming outside. What's going on, gang? My boy got him a 360 on that thing. You got too much money for me. You got way too much money. You just bought a camera. Then you bought the mount.
No, I been had a mount.
What you had the mount for without the camera? TRX, motherfucker. How y'all doing?
Right. Yes, sir.
What's up, gang? What's up, buddy? All right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Scat there right there. Oh, Chase is out of control. Chase is out of control. My boy left his car on with the window cracked and his wallet in. Man, where is Chase? Bikes out there, man. I'm trying to keep y'all in the loop. Shit. Stop. Yes, look. Excellent. Wait for that, boy. Right. So many cars, bro. We ain't got everybody with us yet. I'm just slow rolling because 2 times I almost got in an accident just that quick, bro. It's one state trooper. He cannot catch all of us. Some of it, we will stretch his ass out. It is one state trooper. But I do need to get in that lane with Chase. Some of this side peel, man. Sprizzenite.
Yeah, T1 Sprizzenite.
What's that? Like a RT or SS type deal. Yeah. Deep. That's what you see cat right there.
That's okay. You gonna get me hanging out there, hanging out the sunroof on the way out.
Shit, y'all, they know we on the highway now.
Yeah.
Tow truck, guys. You ready? Tow somebody's shit.
Say straight up, a cut that nigga from by that stop sign.